your mama house and do that thing. Tangity, 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 thing. Ain't gonna get mad when your nigga in the bed with me on the pillow and sing. Sing it, sing it, sing it, sing. Beat me to the back room, bitch. I beat that brain insane. Lockety, lockety, lucky, lucky the track. Lock the doors, let the windows down, and let the Draco go insane. Bleedy day brain. I'm off that Henno, and I'm off that Henny. Wake up, big dog! Can you hear me? I'm off the Ciroc and I'm off the juice. Look at your mama. Look at your mama face. Bro, you gonna shut the fuck up. Why you shut down? We need the line in a minute. We got the line? I mean, we don't need the line. I really don't give a fuck. Right now, I really don't. Okay, so what we doing? We doing like West Coast beats, West Coast. And then we're gonna do like Detroit beats or whatever we gonna do. I'm about to come up with a rap. Give me some lyrics in the comments so I can rap it. Do not play around, bitch. I don't have time to be playing around. What's going on? My signal good? Admins, blah, 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 blah. My dog, bro. Bitch, you can abuse dogs. I'm not abusing this dog, bro. Damn. Fuck. People keep messing with me, yeah. Hold on, y'all. Let me roll my blunt up. I don't know. Oh, maybe I can't. But I ain't break the weed down.